Good afternoon, everyone. I am Xiang Huaixuan. Our core task today is to present the savings app that bridges this gap. We will first analyze the root causes of saving difficulties for 12 to 25-year-olds through real user persons. Then we unpack how the app integrates features targeted to the group benefit, saving tasks, real-time expense tracking on the mobile interface, flexible supervision options, and small rewards for consistent saving. We will also reference successful young-focused money management designs to highlight the app's particular. Later, we will demonstrate the app prototype showing its home screen, goal setting page, and expensive tracker, share insights from user tests, and present the implementation timeline via a gentle chart to prove how this mobile tool turns weekend saving into correct daily habits for young people. Now let me invite Wang to start with the problem analysis.
Now I'm talking about the problem statement. Teenagers today facing growing pressures from school, social life, and the digital world. Many strategies to balance their studies, friendships, and personal well-being. Although they are active online, they often feel lonely, misunderstood, or anxiety about meeting expectations from parents, teachers, and friends. Currently, support systems in school and online do not fully meet their real emotional and development needed, creating a gap between what adults think that they need and what they truly express. And to understand this problem, we need to see the world through teenagers' eyes, their daily life, feelings, and goals. They want to feel the freedom, friendship, and a way to express themselves, but also they link safe and supportive spaces. By hearing their voice and seeing their strategies, we can create solutions that truly help them grow and stay healthier. And there is a question about it is how might we design an engaging money management programs that help them low-income teenagers gain real budgeting confidence?
Hi, my name is Chai. Today I'm going to present user persona and the proposed solution. First of all, I will start with my persona. Let me introduce you to Colin. Colin is 15, works part-time in Tasmania. Like many teens, he dreams of being financially independent, but most of his paycheck goes straight to gaming. He knows he should save, but finds budgeting apps boring and loses motivation quickly. Colin enjoy challenge-based games and respond really well to strict and reward. So what Colin really needs isn't another spreadsheet style budgeting tool. He needs something interactive and rewarding. Something that makes saving feel a little fun, as engaging as the game he really loves. And I will move on to the proposed solution now regarding the gamified budgeting apps. That's where MoneyQuest comes in. MoneyQuest is a gamified budgeting app designed to make saving both fun and rewarding. Users complete weekly mission like saving a small amount of or tracking expenses. They earn strict rewards which build motivation to stay consistent because no one wants to break their winning streak. Then come the real world rewards badges, vouchers, and recognition, reinforcing good saving habits and celebrating progress. Finally, through financial lesson aligned with ASICS framework, teens learn real money skill as they play. MoneyQuest doesn't just teach teenager budgeting, it builds lifelong saving confidence throughout the gameplay.
Our ideal Morning Crest is supported by 3 points: discoverability and fashionability. First is discoverability because the teams don't want boring morning apps. They want something flight and easy to use. With the weekly missions, serving tags, and small reward, Morning Quest makes serving morning feel more like a game, not a tax. Second, it's valuable because it finds with access financial education groups. We can work and school and young groups to help more students learn how to serve. Partnerships with local brewery can also make apps more a right thing to help its loss a large. Third is feasible because we can build to using accepting fintech tools with mean is realize low cost and can group easily on different partner performance. Brave Morning Quest also supports the social and education groups on the CSRs morning to help the young people learn about money early and supports the UN groups to better the education and the economic growth. Finally, the LP preparations and apps launch and facing users to give the real virus learning in the laws realm. Our vision is help young Australia becomes confident and responsible, and money because financial confidence serving early. Thank you.
I'm Duchi and we'll talk about our prototype and testing part of our project. As you can see here is the gamified financial literacy app with budgeting features for everyone to use, especially for youth. And as you can see here is the functions of our budget app interface. This is the user interface. As you can see, here's the budget. The features and the functions of the app is very straightforward. It's very accessible for everyone to use, making it a very easy to use app for everyone, especially in this technological era. Now I will talk about our testing. As you can see here is our test card, which contain four main criteria. The first one is the hypothesis, which will explain how we believe the app will help people, especially the youngster. And the second one is the testing, which we will talk about who we're going to test the app on, who will do the survey. And the third one of this criteria is the measurement, which will explain how we're going to conduct the app, conduct the prototype testing by checking how many users complete the call actions for some example. And the fourth and also the last one is the criteria, which will explain we are right if at least 80% of the users can complete the assigned task without any difficulties, which indicate the app is successful. And the average task completion time was about 3.5 minutes, and which also received a lot of high satisfaction ratings, indicating the users could easily use the app, navigate the app, and complete the features of the app easily.
Now that we have tested our idea and prototype, this kind of chat shows how good Shepherd can bring our gamified budgeting app to the life in the next 6 months. In month 1, we will talk to more teenagers to understand their saving habits and improve our app concept based on what they see. In month 2, we will make the prototype better, updating the design and adding fun weekly missions and straight rewards to keep users interested. In month 3 and 4, we will start building the real app. This includes these main parts like budget tracking, progress bars, and reward systems. Then we will test it inside the team. In month 5, we will do the applied testing with about 15 to 20 teenagers. We will collect their feedback and see how easy and fun the app is to use, then make improvements. Finally, in month 6, We will launch the app to the public. We will promote it on social media and check how well it performs after the release. This plan makes sure our app is good designed, practical, and can create a real positive impact.
Today, we divided into the savings problem among young people. We started with defining the problem statement, then introduced a typical user person, proposed a target solution, explained the justification for it, shared the prototype and testing process, and finally illustrate the project timeline via a Gantt chart. In conclusion, addressing young people's savings challenges requires a comprehensive approach, and we hope our presentation provides useful insights. This is all for our presentation. Thanks for your time.